Okay, hello, crowdfunding guaranteed family. This is Michael coming to you. Want to update you with a new video and some facts that I have compiled since the last time I made a video. Um, I used to work for a company, Yokohama Tire. They pay real well in the U.S. And when I found out that if you work there 30 years, the average person is going to retire with about a $2,500 retirement check. You know, maybe a little higher if you work a lot of overtime. 2,500, maybe 3,000, but that's only about a third of what they're making when I'm working there, when you're working regular. So what I want to do is show you a alternative or an addition to whatever you're already doing. With crowdfunding guaranteed, once you get into the Fund Me to Infinity program, which is a $58 one-time out-of-pocket payment out of your pocket, you'll never pay another dime out of your pocket. So please understand that. This is based on you making basically like a one-time payment of $58 donation. So over the 30 years, I was going to have to do a lot of work up there. So what I did was I said, well, how long will it take me to find four people that wanted to improve their retirement or they wanted to travel more or pay off their bills or buy a new car? Because you can use this money for whatever you want to use it for. Okay, so let me show you. If it took me a month, see right here where it says personal referrals, four, right where my cursor is moving. If it took me a month to get four people to say yes to this thing, and by the way, I've already have nine, and it didn't take me that long. But let's just say if it took you a month to have four, and at the end of that month, they all get paid their $58 one time. As you would see, you would earn down here $10 a week, $43 a month. Okay, that sounds you're like, oh, that's not a whole lot of money. Okay, so let's say now you don't put nobody else in ever. Okay, all we're gonna do is when a new person comes on, you want to ask them, can you get four people in a month? In the next 30 days, do you think you could find four friends, family members, strangers, waitresses, anything? Just ask them, hey, would you be interested in making some extra money to go towards your retirement? If they say how, then you just send them your link, let them watch the video. You don't explain anything, you don't have to do anything like that because when you start trying to explain it by mouth, it's not going to come out right. Okay? You're going to leave something out. So just you have a website. We provide the website for you. Crowdfunding Guarantee provides the website for you. So just go ahead and send them the link, let them watch it. But let me show you what's going to happen. When those four people get their four in the next month, now look at your income. Okay? And remember, you only have four, and each one of them only have four each. Okay, that's why this number right here, four went up by four because these four people got four each, so that's 16. And it's never no more work than one person getting four people in a month. Okay, 1 month. So that's your second month income, $38, $163.40 for the month. Okay, let's look at the third month. Now you're at $94, and that's only these 16 people getting four each. Nobody's getting more than four people at one time. That's all, just four. So that's your third month. And remember, uh, we are making a $29 payment every month, every 28 days with this program, but it never comes out of your pocket. It comes out of the money that you're already making. Okay, so it will never cost you another dime for as long as you're in this program. So remember that. It'll never cost you another dime. So now that's month three. So let's say now those 64 people are going to just get their four each. Nobody's getting more than four. So that's month four. You're at 206 and $885 a month. And you're saying, well, that's still not retirement money. So let's go to month five. Okay. Then you're at $430 a week. You're at $1,849 a month. $1,849 a month. That's $22,360 a year. Not bad for a part-time job. So let's go to month 6. Then you're at $878 per week. You're at $37.75 per month. You're at $45,600 a year. Okay. So let's go one more month. And that's only those last people, the new people, only bringing in 4 people in a month. Okay. So don't worry about the number of people that's over there, because remember, each person is only bringing 4 new people to the table. That's it, 4. So look at month 7. You're looking at $1,700 a week, $7,600 a month, $7,628 a month, $92,000 a year. All right. Now I'm just going to fast forward just for those that are curious what month 8 will do. You can see that's $15,000 a month. But month 9, when you get to month 9, okay, that's $30,000 a month. People say, "Oh, that's not possible." Trust me, I know some people that are millionaires that came out of retirement to do this thing. And one of the guys, he wasn't a millionaire, but he was a strong 6-figure earner, and he the one showed it to me. Okay, so trust me, this thing will work if you'll just get your 4, and we teach them to get their 4. Okay, I have people already on my 8th level down here, but this is something that we're going to teach them now, because we didn't know. We just learned how this calculator works and how this thing can multiply your money. So now we're going back and we're making this video so we can show them how to really maximize their income. And there's another way that you can do more with with this calculator, but for now, this is all I want to do. I want to keep it simple, just concentrating on 4, because when you get 4 people, it allows you to get paid on infinite levels deep. All right, if you have 3, it cuts off at 2. But if you have 4, then it opens up all your levels. Okay, so that's why the key is to get 4 people, and we want to try to get them in a month. That way, every level, if you go to a year, I'm not even going to show you what the money would be for a year. But when you get the gold in this thing, and you'll learn how to do that too. The software is already built to automatically upgrade you when you enable the automatic upgrade enable switch. When you turn that on, it will track everything and it'll walk you through this program on autopilot. All you have to do is get 4 people, and those 4 people get 4 people, and you're on your way. Okay, again, like I said, I have 9 personals now, and so we're well on our way to making this happen in 6 months. So you all have a great day. Just wanted to share that with you, and look forward to the next video. Have a great day.